Hi, everybody. So somebody asked the other day, why don't you have countdowns in Charitable? Because a lot of your campaigns, they can have ending dates. And you know what? That was such a great idea. We built it. So, we listened to customer requests for sure. So I wanted to show you really quick how we implemented this in Charitable. So we have a animal rescue campaign here on my test server. It's got an end date. So I'm just going to switch over to design. And as you can see, we have a new field now called countdown. Ta-da! As you can see here, you can insert a customizable countdown into your campaign page in Charitable. So that means you can control the colors, you can control the styles. And from a design perspective too, this helps you kind of customize the countdown to your, your general theme, your general look. You can customize what happens when a campaign ends, and where the text goes, and even how it's celebrated. What does that mean? So like you can even set, when a campaign goes off live on a page, there could be fireworks or confetti even if you want. Let me show you the campaign page, and there's the countdown there. And again, you can customize this. I just threw this into a real quick template here. Having a countdown on your site or on your campaign page does help spur activity and, kind of convince donors a little bit that there's a urgency level involved. And a lot of our customers have end dates on their campaigns for various important reasons. For, you're meeting a deadline, it's important. Charitable also allows you to put countdowns on any page on your site, not just the campaign page. So here I've got like a regular standard WordPress page in the block editor. I've added a few nice visual bells and whistles here, but I'm going to go ahead and add a block. There's my campaign countdown, and I'm going to go select a campaign, and boom, there's my countdown right there. And I can edit it and customize it just like if you saw in the previous example with campaign in the campaign page. So for example, I can decide to make it maybe inline instead of boxed. That countdown display font is cool, but maybe I want to match it a little bit more to the design in my theme. And I can decide what, do I want to show days, hours, minutes, seconds, that sort of thing, and label it accordingly. The end of the campaign behavior is still here, and I can customize my colors. I can change the colors however I want to match. And also, again, I can size this how I want to. So all of this is very customizable. Let me save it. Let me open it up here. And yes, it is small. I should probably bump up the font size, but you get the point. It is a functional countdown with no code, and it took maybe 30 seconds to add it in. So campaign countdowns, again, can be very effective because they can transmit the sense of urgency and get your donors to donate quicker and more efficiently. If you have feedback on this or anything else in Charitable, feel free to let us know. Go to wpcharitable.com, go to the contact page, tell us what you think, tell us what you want. And because this was a feature requested by a customer, we were happy to build it. So anyway, compassion through action. We'll see you in the next video.